Dear children, welcome to class 4 Wednesday session. In the last we have discussed about the birds around us. It is a very wonderful lesson of Gijubai Badeka's story. In the last session we discussed that how the barbet is arranging its nest and how the crow is arranging the nest. It can be found around our houses, small forest, near abandoned building, and a nest we can find anywhere on the top of cupboard, behind the mirror, on a ledge. Now, tailor bird's nest. Doves also make their nest like this. Often they make nest in old deserted buildings. Coppersmith tuk-tuk sound also we can heard, that we have discussed in our last session. I request all the students to read the lesson properly once again, because lesson is not very easy. So please watch the video on and on often. Now, tailor bird uses sharp beak to stitch together two leaves in a bush. It lays its eggs in the fold of the leaf that it has made. This is its nest. The sunbird makes nest, hangs from the branch of a small tree or a bush. The same evening we saw the sunbird's nest. Can you guess what is its nest made of? It made of hair, grass, thin twigs, dry leaves, cotton wool, bits of tree, bark, pieces of cloth, rags, and even spider's cobweb. Now, you can see the weaver bird's fine weaving nest. When the author is looking through the binocular, he is looking that a chick in the nest sitting near the small opening of the nest, small hollow opening of the nest, is looking whether the mother is bringing some food for him or not. Then he is taking out its head from it. It was for his mother to bring some food. Do you know the male weaver birds makes the beautiful woven nest? Female looks at all the nest and chooses the one that she likes the best and decide in which to lay her eggs. All the birds are so busy these days that making nest and laying eggs is only the first step. It is a difficult task to raise the young ones in the nest. Dear children, sorry, it is not easy to raise it, and it is taking much of efforts. Birds have many enemies also, human beings, animals, and others also. Making this kind of work many a times, catching the nest, crows, squirrel, cats, rats, all are catching it and harming to it. Even the nest are many a time broke down also. To keep oneself safe from the danger, to find food, make nest, hatch the eggs, and raise the chicks safely, are all these tests for each and every bird which is creating nest in our surrounding. So friends, it is not an easy task for the bird, because it is a big world of a science. It is a big world of a science. They have a speciality, they have a peculiarities. However, the birds still sing with joy and spread the wings and fly freely. That was the words of our beloved writer Gijubai. Here our lesson ends. And we are continuing the following question series. Then one picture message is also given that picture message and remaining task of the lesson. What is left, that we will discuss next time. Till then, thank you.